Today we're showing you how to make a traditional brown gravy. So remove your meat and place all your veg and that into a pan, and then deglass your tray with either some red wine or just water. Make sure all your flavours go into the pan. Add a tiny bit of tomato puree. Then in a separate pan you want to mount a tiny bit of butter and add flour until it's become a roux. And you want to cook this so it goes a nice golden brown colour, but just be careful not to burn it. Add a stock cube to your pan and the rest of the roux. This will now thicken up, and at this stage, get it to the consistency you sort of quite like your gravy at. As we're doing beef here, we're adding a bit of horseradish just for some extra flavour, and this is a good time just to taste it and season it. So cook that out on the stove for a little while, then pass it through a chinois or just a strainer and squeeze as much of that flavour out as possible.